Hey guys, we're back at SSP 15 Forester. This will go from 15 to 18, 19. It's extremely similar to the 13, 12 model, so it should work for both models, but this is a 15. The previous video showed how to take off the fender liner that wraps around the fender. It's the same process for both sides. And then I'm sure a lot of you guys probably ripped this bottom belly pan off on the cars at one point in time, running over a curb or something and want to replace it. This piece of the dealer is about 80, 90 bucks, maybe 100 bucks for this piece. I'm gonna give you a little short video on how to remove it. It'd be nice if it's on a lift, but if you're at home, you can crawl underneath the car and do it. Just don't do it while it's hot. So you need a clip remover and a number 12. So I'll show you guys right here. There's a clip here, and a clip up here. The fender liner, sits over it. So we've taken the fender liner off so you have a better view. But these three clips need to come off. Use this, and it's these bigger clips. You'll see it. This is what they are. Both sides need to happen that way. You take those out, and then grab your number 12, hand wrench or whatever it may be. There's a 12 right here in the front. 112 in the front here. There's one right here. I'm going to hold on to that. There's two back here. One here. One here. That's three, and then this is the fourth one. And then we have one clip up here on this side. One clip right here. With that, all that removed, it's got these little clips right here that hold it. So you can just remove the belly pan. That's as easy as it is. And the same way going back up, just, make sure you put these tabs like right here and right here to be like your helping hand, and then just go back up, and there's see these guys right here? This will clip into here and hold it for you. So you don't need two people to do it. Let me come down. Yeah. And that's how you do the bottom belly pan on these guys. I'm going to put it back up because we don't need it off on this car. So I'm going to grab these are 412s. They're countersunken 12s. What I would do is I'd put them in one at a time. Don't tighten them all the way. Just put them back in. The reason why I leave them all four loose, because sometimes you need to shift it around so you get all the bolts in. And then I'm going to put these two clips back in on the sides up here. I'm going to show you for the time being until I can put the liner in. One on this side and then the one on the other side as well. That's it for installing these belly pans. They're super easy to install, I'm sure. And this is going back 2009, 13 model. They have little wings on the side. So 14 and up, 14 to I'm assuming 19, you're gonna get this style of a pan. so you can replace it really easily.